When you look up at a fire sprinkler, have you ever noticed the little glass bulb inside? Those colors, orange, red, yellow, green, blue, purple and black, aren't just decoration. They actually tell you exactly when that sprinkler will activate during a fire, from as low as 57 degrees Celsius all the way up to over 200. Each sprinkler bulb contains a small amount of heat-sensitive liquid, usually a mix of alcohol and water, with a dye added for color. When the air around the sprinkler heats up, that liquid expands until the glass shatters, releasing water instantly. No wiring, no power, just physics. But not all sprinklers activate at the same temperature. The color of the bulb tells us how hot the air must get before it operates. And that depends on where it's installed. Orange bulbs have the lowest activation temperature, typically around 57 degrees Celsius. They're extra sensitive and are used in cooler, controlled environments. Places like museums, archives, computer rooms, or climate-controlled areas where the ambient temperature never gets very high. Red bulbs are the next step up and are by far the most common. They activate around 68 degrees Celsius and are used in environments like offices, apartments, retail stores, classrooms, hospitals, and enclosed car parks. In most commercial and residential buildings, red bulbs are the standard choice. Yellow bulbs activate at around 79 degrees Celsius and are used in areas with higher fire risk or warmer ambient conditions, such as warehouses, workshops, and manufacturing facilities. They're also found in roof spaces, loading docks, or near skylights where heat from the sun can build up. Green bulbs have an even higher activation temperature, roughly 107 degrees Celsius, and are typically used in high-risk industrial environments like chemical storage areas or facilities with elevated heat. Blue bulbs operate at around 121 degrees Celsius. These are installed in very hot environments such as boiler rooms, furnace spaces, or plant areas where lower temperature sprinklers could activate too early. Purple bulbs are designed for even more extreme conditions, activating at around 163 degrees Celsius. You'll find them in flammable liquid storage rooms or facilities handling volatile materials. And finally, black bulbs. These have the highest activation temperature, usually above 200 degrees Celsius. They're used only in specialized environments like industrial ovens, foundries, and furnaces, areas where the surrounding air can reach extreme temperatures. You won't see these in typical commercial or residential buildings. According to AS 2118.1, a sprinkler's temperature rating must generally be at least 30 degrees above the highest expected ambient temperature. In hotter locations, such as under metal roofs, glazing, or unventilated ceiling spaces, higher temperature bulbs are required. And for high-hazard storage systems, 141-degree sprinklers are typically specified at the roof or ceiling. These temperature ratings follow the international classification developed by Underwriters Laboratories, which Australia recognises under AS 2118.1. The same colour coding system is used worldwide. Each sprinkler is factory tested and permanently marked with its temperature rating, usually stamped on the frame or deflector. During annual maintenance under AS 1851, inspectors confirm that the correct sprinkler types and temperature ratings are installed for each area. So next time you look up and see a red sprinkler bulb, you'll know it's set to activate at around 68 degrees Celsius, ready to control a fire before it spreads. A small piece of engineering brilliance, simple, reliable, and designed to save lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fire protection videos.